Thanks for watching our presentation. The first large-scale industrial atomic force microscope in China to achieve commercial production times the sample size and weight are almost unlimited, making it particularly suitable for testing large samples such as wafers, ultra-large gratings, and optical glass. Times the sample stage has strong expandability and is very convenient for multi-instrument combination to achieve in-situ detection. Times one-click automatic scanning, capable of programming multiple test points for fast and automated detection. Times keep the sample stationary while scanning the image, and drive the probe to perform XYZ 3D motion measurement imaging. Times gantry scanning head design, marble base, vacuum adsorption stage, times integrated mechanical vibration damping and environmental noise shielding solutions greatly reduce system noise levels. Times intelligent and fast needle insertion method for automatic detection of piezoelectric ceramics under motor control, protecting probes and samples. Times scanner nonlinear correction user editor, with nano characterization and measurement accuracy better than 98. Subscribe to my channel and discover every aspect of technology that matters to you.